Married couples that decided no on kids. What's your life like? 1. My wife has a small army of nieces and nephews. So we just rent kids whenever we want one. 2. Quiet when we want, loud when we want, late when we want, early when we want, whatever we want, whenever we want, assuming our cats get their scheduled meals. 3. No complaints, disposable income, free time, travel whenever. 4. Quiet. We both grew up in loud, toxic households. None of that BS in our house. 5. Life is life. There are good days and bad days, happy days and sad days. But I imagine there is a lot less stress in our days than there would have been if we had children. We don't regret, don't feel like we're missing out, 8 years and we still don't want kids. 6. I'm not arguing with anyone to brush their teeth or do homework. There has not been a single tear shed today. Definitely not a single scream. My white couch is looking immaculate. I'm researching snorkeling tours for our next vacation and I had a bagel for dinner, because why not? Although I do have to say, one of the dogs threw up. It's really ruined the whole day.